just left Wizarding World of Harry Potter, and you have to check out this new special effect at the Butterbeer cart in the Wizarding World.
What?
Okay, it wasn't a special effect, but seriously, that's what I thought it was. You're right next to the owlery. I thought it was like some kind of feather effect from the owlery to make it more realistic, but no. That was a real bird that flew into the fan of the Butterbeer cart. Shut the Butterbeer cart down. The funny part was all the guests still standing there in line waiting to get their Butterbeer.